everybody. Welcome to the job site. Welcome to the channel. Here we are, guys. Finally made it to spring. Got this job here. We're back on this job. We did the Hardie board. We did the deck in the back. Did some few other things. So today we're busting out this brick wall and putting in 18-foot garage door. Check it out. Got the wall cut there. Got the window out. Wall cut over there. We got a cut on that side. And we got a cut on that side. Gotta knock this out. Gotta build a temporary wall. Here we go. Nice. A little late now. Huh? Done. Timber. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Nice. Ready? Nice. Hit that joint, yeah. Might. Oh yeah, it does. Right that row there. Wall pipe. Somewhere. There it is, right there. Yep, we got it.
Lots of clips on it.
Safety.
That's right.
Nice. Hey guys, here we are. Second day on this wall. We got all the block knocked out and we got the headers set. I'll show you what we got going on. Check it out. A lot of rubble. Tore out the two block walls. And then we set this LVL right up there. We had to add one 2x4 and a 14-inch LVL. Made us a perfect 8-foot opening. Over here we got double jacks, 2x6 double jacks, packed it out 1.5 inches, packed it out 3/4, and made it flush with the brick. Man, that's nice. Now Hardie board goes on the inside, Hardie board goes on the outside. It's like this, goes over the brick. That side's looking good too. Alright. Alright guys, there's the old door. 16 by 7. And there's a new door. 18 by 8. Way bigger. Now we're going to wrap some Hardie around here. Some Hardie. And that'll be done. Tomorrow they're setting the door. And they're taking down this old door. Looking good. Here we go, all done. Alright guys, this was done. We're out of here. I'll see you in the next one.